going to first use your network cable stripper. Now, following the color code standard, you're going to make sure that the cables are flush. You're going to get your wire cutter and make the wires flush. Now, with the latch facing up, you're going to put the connector onto it and push the wires all the way to the pins. Then, after you've installed it, you get your crimping tool and crimp. Then you make sure you test it, and that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe, leave a comment, and until next time.